Steel Nerves up into gate 2. Lots of speed with the 2-horse. No Beaches is up next, up into gate 3. Adapted Memory goes in. They're going to load the 6. Shady Harbor's in, 9-5 choice. Peg's Choice is next to that. She's a Little Runaway on the far outside. Last to load will be Chloe's a Ladybug. Chloe's Ladybug is in the gate. They're all in the gate locked up. There they go. Hopping just a bit was No Beaches. From the inside, that is the gray. Steel Nerves on the far outside. She's a Little Runaway in between horses. Peg's Choice. But it's going to be She's a Little Runaway and Peg's Choice. A gap of 3. In third, you have Steel Nerves. Outside of that is Shady Harbor. Then Adapted Memory on the outside of that. Chloe's Ladybug. Second last is going to be No Beaches. And the trailer is So Many Memories. Through the Dutch Brothers turn they go. That is Peg's Choice out there by a length. She's a Little Runaway is second. In a good spot, third is Steel Nerves. Outside of Steel Nerves and fourth is Shady Harbor. Then you have No Beaches making up ground. Then it's Adapted Memory. Second last is No Beaches. And the trailer, So Many Memories. Into the far turn they go. Look at Peg's Choice go. Peg's Choice at 7-2 is out there by 5 or 6. Peg's Choice out there 5 or 6. She's a Little Runaway is second. Making up ground now along the rail is No Beaches, but it's by how far now? Peg's Choice 8, 9, maybe 10. Peg's Choice is the easiest of winners in today's third race. Second's going to be Adapted Memory, and third is No Beaches.